Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on, how to turn off air gestures in a smart sensing menu for Realme 14x phone. So first of all, we need to go to settings. Then in settings we are looking for accessibility and convenience. Then we need to scroll down and here we have smart sensing menu. So when we open the option here, we have air gestures by default off. So we can enable it using this switch right here, and we can turn it off using the same switch. And here we have our learn gestures option. We have short tutorial. Of course, we need to enable our camera to use these options, and we can learn it from the phone and it will react to our movements as well. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.